my uh, my sister ate a microwave food yesterday, and today she was diagnosed with gonorrhea.
Oh yeah,
So,
I think that's bad. My grandma, when she was 12, she ate a microwave potato, and mm, I have no follow-up. I'm not sure what happened to her
she died.
at the age of 12.
Yes, will also be my grandma.
Yes.
Honey, if it's not because of the microwave, then how do you explain my sudden appearance of herpes on my vagina?
Well, sorry to tell you, but Chad had herpes, and you've been with Chad.
Honey, you're speaking nonsense. Have you been eating microwave food?
Honey, in fact, I have. I have a giant brain tumor now. A malignant brain tumor. It's going to be removed tomorrow with 50% success rate. This might be our last conversation, honey.